1. Perimeter of a quadrilateral. The perimeter of any shape is the total length of its boundary. For a quadrilateral, which is a four-sided polygon, you find the perimeter by adding the lengths of all its sides. For example, if you have a quadrilateral with sides of lengths a, b, c, and d, then the perimeter P is E equals a plus b plus c plus d. 2. Area of a quadrilateral. The area of a quadrilateral is the measure of the space enclosed within its boundary. There are various methods to calculate the area of a quadrilateral, depending on the given information. For a rectangle or square, the area is calculated by multiplying the length by the width: area equals length into width. For a parallelogram, the area is calculated by multiplying the base one side by the height perpendicular distance between the base and the opposite side. Area equals length into width. For a general quadrilateral, there are several methods, such as the Brahmagupta's formula for cyclic quadrilaterals or the shoelace formula for any convex polygon. However, if you know the lengths of two sides and the angle between them, you can use trigonometry to find the area. Alternatively, you can divide the quadrilateral into triangles and calculate their areas separately. Understanding the type of quadrilateral you're dealing with helps in determining the appropriate method to find its area.